It was bound to happen. We would one day get a Playmobil Series 24 mystery figure. Let's do this! Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Hope everybody's having a great day. I sure am. I got this in the mail. It was the only one of its kind when I was just perusing through Amazon looking for Christmas gifts for my grandkids. And yeah, unfortunately, this was the only one, and I had to jump at the chance to get it. I wanted to be the one to get the final Series 24 mystery figures through Amazon, at least for the time being. This one looks pretty interesting. I do remember when I got the first preview of Series 24, they basically show the bag, what you're seeing here. And just looking at it at face value, you can't really tell what you're getting, and it doesn't look very impressive. I know Series 23 and Series 22 were absolutely fantastic. The one I think is going to be very popular is the one in the top right corner. She looks like she's right out of a black and white movie, and that's why she is black and white, or gray. She has gray hues. But the only thing that's kind of confusing is that she is carrying a colored umbrella. And I'm not 100% sure what's going on with that. It is a possibility that she is a ghost. And yeah, unfortunately, I just don't have anything to tell me otherwise. So nothing different about the back. I think it's high time we go ahead and open this up. We appear to have... Is that a skirt? Or is it a cape? Oh, well, that there is a cape. Oh, I still got a piece in the back here. Hang on. There we go. All right, just shaking it up. Just to make sure. Okay. So... we got a little royal blue action here. Unfortunately, it's probably going to be covered by all the other clothes. And she is in little platform shoes here. She appears to be just a woman in a gown, which is cool, you know? Oh no, wait a minute. Okay, thought I was missing the arm. Can't do this video without all the pieces. Pardon me while I attach the arms off camera. It's not very professional, I know. So here we go with the upper body. Uh-oh. Let's use two hands. Can we get it? She's not snapping shut. There we go. All right, now her arms spread open a little bit there. All right, and then let's go ahead, I guess, do the head. And her hair. It's kind of elegant looking for someone who's half dressed. And we go ahead and snap that on right there. I'm actually surprised. Well, no, I'm not. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, is the? All right. So here's the skirt, and voila. And then she carries this little handkerchief type thing. Maybe she's at the opera. Maybe she's she's attending an opera, and that's why she's dressed so nicely. I wonder if these charms over here give this away to tell us that she's something else. And then she's got this little bracelet thing on her arm, which is pretty cool. It's a nice touch. It's different. I don't recall any other figure like this where they've got a bareback dress on like that. That's actually pretty nice, even though it's somewhat of a boring figure to me. It is somewhat boring. We've got a few Klickies from series, past mystery figure series where the intent is to attend like a play or an opera. So she could probably fit in with that, maybe. Or it could just be an elegant night out somewhere. I don't know. It's really up to you. It's all about the imagination anyway. But other than that, As you can see, she does have the curved arms. But other than that, there's really nothing too much going on here. Am I disappointed? No, I'm not, because it's a brand new figure to add to the collection. I really wish it was somebody a little bit more cool. maybe, but I'd eventually get this one anyway, and I'd still be happy just because it's a different figure. So I can't really complain. But yeah, that's really going to be all that we're going to be filming today, guys. That's it. But who here has Series 24? Leave a comment below. Let me know. And that wraps up our video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Just find us at playmo.af. Guys, we got another video coming up right before the holiday, but there will not be a video after that. It'll be sometime after the new year. And I guess until then, everybody take care, and we will see you again very soon. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.